Hi, Bruce from Safari, and what we're looking at here are the star controllers for an 86-foot catamaran, and you can see them all laid out here. They're all connected up onto the can. In this particular case, you can see the colors here coming up, and by installing this at the point of load, so these are actually in cabins, spaces, engine rooms, this customer saves 1 kilometre of cabling. So just think of the copper saving, the installation saving is phenomenal. Our star controllers, because they can go to the point of load, and because all the outputs out of here are protected by the advanced fuseless feature, they will turn off within 60 to 80 millionths of a second. There's no fusing needed on the outputs from here. And for the critical loads, these buttons here are the manual backup. And then for some of the lights, they've chose the star light, and they don't have any manual backup on it, but these can do an RGBW, which is valuable in this particular case. They can have red light and then switch to white. The big advantage of using these controllers, though, is the installation saving. And these are now the most certified product in the world. So they have, not only do they have CE, they have E mark. Resilient have tested them for performance against matter. They've tested them against Apple, Google, Amazon, and Samsung. So they've got 7 certificates for each individual product. This controller here has been tested to 3.27 kilowatts of power. These here have been tested for 1.27 kilowatts of power for 5 hours without a temperature rise on the case to get the E-mark approval. And then at the back here on that big screen, which I'm going to pull up another image of, we've got the actual pumps, the tanks, everything integrated into it. The can here is running beautifully. The screen here, which I'm pulling up, is showing you the can data coming up without any issue at all. And then finally, this has actually got a Victron touchscreen on it as well, and the customer can operate anything on the boat from the Victron touchscreen, or they can use the switch gear. In this case, the customer has got this glass-fronted engraved switch panel throughout the boat, and we can interface that using an open source framework for Star Power and Starlight. So this is the new era for marine of getting down installation cost. I've got to say, how good's that?